Life can throw unexpected challenges our way, and it's easy to feel weighed down. But remember, happiness isn't about having a perfect life, it's about finding light, even in the dark. When things get tough, it's okay to feel down, but don't let it keep you there. Think of happiness like a small candle, it may flicker, but it never truly goes out. Smile at the little things, a kind word, a beautiful sunset, or even just a quiet moment for yourself. These tiny joys are your fuel. You are stronger than you know, and sometimes the bravest thing you can do is to find a reason to smile when the world tells you not to. Your happiness is not tied to your circumstances, it's tied to your heart. So, no matter how tough things get, let your light shine. You deserve it. Life isn't always smooth sailing, but happiness doesn't have to wait for perfect conditions. Even in the middle of challenges, you can find small moments of joy. Picture this, happiness is like a little flower growing in a crack in the sidewalk. It's not in the best spot, but it still finds a way to bloom. That's how you can be in tough times, find those little bits of sunshine, even when things feel hard. When life feels overwhelming, remember to breathe and look for the small things that make you smile, a friendly face, a good memory, or even just knowing that you've made it through tough times before. Happiness isn't the absence of problems, it's your ability to rise above them. So, no matter what you're facing, choose to nurture that little flower of happiness inside you. You've got this, and brighter days are ahead.